Alright. Fuck off. If you don't get the fuck out of my face, you won't have it. Fuck up, bitch. Fuck up, bitch. Shut the fuck up and do something, pussy. I'll murder you. Love me more, puto. Stop being a fucking hater. God bless you. God bless us all. I say I love you a lot, yeah. It's more like if you love me, I do love you. I already love you, so don't fuck it up. That's really what that does mean. I ain't perfect. I know you ain't either. You said fuck off. Yeah, fuck out my face. Or you won't have her. Fuck up, bitch. Shut the fuck up and do something, pussy. I'll murder you. What the fuck? Angel on the scene. If you watch the videos of DC Naughty, you'll see the stuff of seen out of Trinity. Trinity is over the time, and past it. It's like past, present, and future of how Trinity would operate. The thought of, you know. So, either way. DC Naughty on thisis50.com. Yeah, we do love you. Continue to love us too. Prosperity Lottery. David Tifo. What else was gonna say? Nothing. Time to go chop up some chicken, nigga. It's chicken cooking time. Do so love me some chicken. It's not a stereotype. You love chicken too. And if you don't, that's because you haven't had chicken cooked the way it should be cooked. Goddess Restaurants. Told you, it's big business. What's gonna happen there? Dude, Prosperity Lottery is its own thing. Everything involving me involves that. That's how I do it. Naughty workouts. You love it already. If you don't love it, that's because you haven't tried it. That's because you really haven't tried it. I call it Goga sometimes. Sometimes. But I call everything Natty. Natty. 88. Oh, yesterday I was doing some shit. The wall. Yeah. DC Naughty. thisis50.com. If you're playing catch up, you're gonna love the beginning. You're gonna just love it. You really will. Book of Immortals. From having everything you need to having everything you want. In other words, from rags to riches.